Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Yoga Andrew, a student in Gulu University, Uganda, and I'm going to present about a concept in Excel for making reports. So basically, what you are going to do is making a report for an elementary school or some nursery school in Uganda or anywhere basically. So you open your Microsoft Excel. So mission. So as I told you in the recent video, this is my worksheet where I'm going to perform my calculations, and you see we have the names of the students provided. These are the students I'm going to use as an example. They got the following marks. After marking, you put your marks very well into the table. English, you put them, SST, science, and then mathematics. So I'm going to teach you the different ways of finding these using a computer and basically using Microsoft Excel, because it's one of the simplest ways of easing life when making a report. So what we are going to do is, let's first calculate the total of the student's marks as the total. You can use the function equals to sum. You highlight the range of cells you want to add. So that's the range of cells. You close the bracket and then press enter. So this is the total of these. In the recent video I talked about the use of a function, and that's what we have used. So you autofill, calculate average, use the function equals to average, highlight the range to calculate the student's average, and then close the bracket and press enter. So you'll see that this is basically easy peasy. You have calculated the average of the students. So in position, we use rank. Use one of the two. May decide to use either the total or the average, but for this case, let me see, I'm going to use the total because it's simpler and it's what most of the schools do. So when calculating the position of a student, you use equals to, use rank, and when you put rank, open bracket, you highlight the first value, put a comma, then highlight the range of cells you are going to rank according. So that's it. Don't forget to put dollar signs. You put dollar signs to prevent errors. So you autofill, and then what next? You are going to go on how to grade. On how to grade, I'm going to show you a sample of how to use the if function or if formula to calculate the grade of each subject of a particular student. For example, here we left some boxes for the grade, so we shall use equals to, you type if what? If the cell B2, because it's the one we want to calculate, is what? Is greater than. Now according to the grading system of your school, you may decide on what you want. Open quotes, you say put D1, put a comma, you write if again, again B2 because It can be B2, can be either, we don't know, because you can decide to change the max. So B2 is greater than what, 75. You open, you say comma, open quotes, put D2. Don't close, you close quotes. So this is what you will do. Continuing up to the grade, you continue typing if D2 just comma, you put if for all the formulas, for all the grading system. According to your grading system, you put according the grade, according to the marks of the students you got. So according to what I have done, as you can see, I've filled everything. If B2 is greater than that, then what? So I've just copied this. Let me first try to change and put B2. I'm going to use B3 as you see, and then after doing what I told you, if this is equal to this, D1, if this is greater than this, open. Punctuation is key when using the if function. Punctuation is key. So after that, so you can say according to the formula I've used, if this, it will keep on. That's how you write it. So after that, you autofill. So you can copy the formula into the boxes to avoid repetition, and then you press enter. So that's how basically grading is done. And thank you. I hope you enjoyed this session. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and everything. Share the video to all your friends and relatives in need of this. That's basically how it's done. Thank you.